Welcome to Cathy's Hobby Corner.
Hey guys, we done made it out here to the potato bin. They're starting to turn green, so I'm gonna go ahead on and dig them up. I can put some other things out here. This is what I was talking about. When they start coming out of the ground too early, you see how they turn to green? You can't eat those. So that's what I was talking about. When they start pushing out of the ground too early, they start turning green. So you got to be mindful of checking on them. Okay, guys, we got the last of the red Norlands out the ground. Not too bad, not too bad, but a lot of them were starting to poke out the ground, so that's what made me come and check them and see if we need to go ahead on and harvest them. So I'm pleased with it. Y'all knew me. As long as I get something out the ground, I am not upset.
Where dreams are light, she nurtures life in the